Terra Luna Classic is looking absolutely beautiful today for no other reason other than a Christmas miracle. Guys, we're going to be discussing this proposal. 11111, I believe, is the number. It's the one that takes that mint tax, that mints 50% of the burns back down to 10% of the burns. It is currently passing. It looks like it's going to continue passing, and it is causing Terra Luna Classic to move higher. So in this video, we're going to talk about these numbers. We're going to briefly discuss some of the next levels of resistance, just in case Terra Luna Classic continues to rip on higher. But I also want to talk about really what this means for the community and why it is so important to see the Terra Luna Classic proposal 11111 passing and why it's causing such a stir. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a pro. We're here every single day, and we're growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and $1 crypto trade is going to get you $5 in free crypto. Now, if you guys want crypto exclusive exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all of that good stuff, you've got KuCoin and Binance down there. KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active trader. So the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. And just be careful. Be careful with any of these exchanges right now. I really don't care if it's Binance, Coinbase, the big boys. There's a lot of negative sentiment surrounding these centralized exchanges. Could be a great place to buy, sell, and so on, but may not be a great place to hold. Be aware of that. But guys, we got a lot to discuss in this video about Terra Luna Classic moving higher, and the reason is fairly obvious, okay? If you're looking at that proposal, 11111 is the number. We don't need to really go over it, but it's the one that takes that mint, the burning, if you got that burn wallet out there, 50% of everything that is sent to it is currently being reminted. This proposal 11111 is going to take that number back down to 10%. So 10% of everything that is being minted will be, or everything that is being burned, sorry, will be reminted after this proposal is passed and then readjusted. Now, at the same time that all nodes, LUNC DAO, and Interstellar came in and pushed this thing not only beyond quorum, but beyond a doubt going to pass, Terra Luna Classic shot through resistance levels and soared higher. So Terra Luna Classic today is trading around that 16,000 point per coin range. If we're going to get exact, I mean, at the time of the video, it's about 15,700, 15,800, and it is volatile. It's bouncing back and forth between those levels. But the market move higher came when all nodes in them shot their votes through the passing quorum. All nodes with like 17% of the vote. Interstellar, I believe, has like 8. LUNC DAO has 5. And in voting yes on this shows some major support for the Terra Luna Classic community. Why? These big guys were for major support of the Terra Luna Classic developers in this community pool buildup. They saw the backlash. They saw the community members in Terra Luna Classic would rather have the burns than this major community pool built up right now, and that the burns are what is getting people excited, not necessarily the funding of this community pool. And I am actually surprised. I'm surprised that they voted that way. Because when they voted for the 50% burn skim just a couple of weeks ago, it was obvious that they were in support of themselves, in support of the developers, and in support of this notion that the only way to really burn Terra Luna Classic and really bring utility to Terra Luna Classic is through the funding of that community pool. They have changed their mind, basically a 180. And there's no other way to boil this down as simply as possible, except for saying they fully support the community at this point in time. Now, I don't know if the community is going to be able to rally together and get back to a 1.2% burn tax. There is some chatter about that going on social media. I don't know the next steps, but I do know that they are supporting that burn skim going from 50% back down to 10%, and it results in a much higher price. I mean, guys, if you look at the overall cryptocurrency market right now, and you see that Bitcoin is sitting steady around 16.8, Ethereum sitting steady just above $1,200, trying to just, tread water and stay alive there. But Terra Luna Classic soaring higher, 10% today. 10% yesterday, blowing through these resistance levels. It is because the community is excited and the community is willing to buy. I believe it is above a $1 billion market cap at the time that I'm recording this video. We'll see what it's at by the time you guys are watching this video, right? But nonetheless, let's talk briefly about the levels of resistance that we may have ahead. Because if this trend continues and the community continues to be supported, and they go out and they buy more Terra Luna Classic because they're excited about its future, they're excited about the actual decentralized authority that they have in determining the future of Terra Luna Classic, well, of course, the price would want to go higher as well. So if you're looking right now, like I said, we're roughly around that 16,000 point per coin range. You can pull out a daily chart, okay? And you can see that the next level of major resistance happens in a little range. The bottom end of the candles show resistance around 17,000 points per coin. Not a huge move higher. It's going to be roughly 5 to 7% increase from where we're currently at. If you go to the top end of those candles for your resistance level, it's going to be right around the 18,000 point per coin range. So you've got that range right there that's going to provide resistance on Terra Luna Classic in roughly let's put it a 5 to 10% move higher from where we're currently at. Nothing to necessarily write home about, but I'm telling you, if you can string together these little gains day after day after day, that's what creates the hype, that's what creates the excitement, and then boom, when everybody pours in, that's what creates the rally. Now, beyond that, because we did just steadily decline for a few weeks there, you do have resistance around the 20,000 and 22,000 point per coin levels. But 22, if you guys go back and watch some of the videos that we did months ago, you can see that 22,000, I believe 500, but just that 22,000 point per coin range is very significant for Terra Luna Classic. And if that gets broken as well, yes, we could definitely see some rallies back up into the 30,000 point per coin range. And I don't even want to, listen, one step at a time. We'll get there one step at a time. Can't get ahead of ourselves. But we do have a lot of good news and good sentiment going on in the Terra Luna Classic community right now. I want to know what you guys think. Down in the comments below, let me know your thoughts on 11.111 passing and that burn tax or burn skim, however you want to look at it, going back down from 50% down to 10%. Let me know your thoughts down there. And of course, if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a pro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. You guys got ClayBro 883 everywhere. You're getting 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull. You got KuCoin and Binance, free Discord. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.